Morning. Am I audible to you guys? Am I audible? Seems like everyone is still in holiday mood. Only 7 students. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How's your holiday? How's your holiday? Was it good? Boring? Usual. Okay. Didn't go out, I guess. But that's good actually. You guys didn't go out. Oh, you are still in Bangladesh, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
I guess your physical classes will start from 27. No, 27 you're supposed to report in campus. Will you be able to come?
Yes, ma'am. I will be able to come.
Not sure. Are you
Ma'am,
vaccinated?
I'm pretty sure I'll. Yes, ma'am.
Are you vaccinated?
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet. Without vaccination and RT-PCR report, they won't allow you to come.
Ma'am, I think I need to get vaccinated after coming India because
Okay.
it's not even in our country to get vaccinated right now.
Oh, I see. Okay, then it's good actually. You will get vaccine here. But at least you will need RT-PCR report before entering the campus. बाकी सबको क्या अभी भी हॉलीडे चली है. I guess 1st of November your second sessional exam will start, and most probably this time it will be offline. Can you see the whiteboard? Can you see whiteboard? Today we will start minimization of DFA. So minimization of DFA. So what is that? Minimization of DFA means what? We can reduce the number of states from the given FA. We in last class I also showed you how we can convert NFA to DFA, right? So if you remember, when we convert NFA to DFA, if a number of states in NFA is n, then when we convert it to DFA, the total number of states can go up to 2 power n, right? Then there are lots of states in your DFA, which makes your DFA a bit complicated. Okay, so with the help of minimization process, we can reduce some number of states from your DFA. Okay, so for that there are certain steps you need to follow. So what you need to do is first remove all unreachable states. Okay, simply remove all unreachable states. What is unreachable states? What is an unreachable state? So which one is the unreachable state here for this diagram? Which one is the unreachable state in this diagram? Any guess? What happened? Which one is the unreachable state? What is unreachable state? I guess I explained in last class also. Unreachable state means if any state you cannot go from the initial state. If there exists any state, you cannot go to that state from the initial state using any set of transition. That is your unreachable state. So now tell me which one is the unreachable state here in the diagram. I gave you the definition. Now tell me which one is the unreachable state. Any state you cannot reach from the initial state. So in the diagram, which one is the unreachable state? If you cannot answer me, I cannot proceed forward. Deepashri, which one is the unreachable state here? Deepashri, are you there? Which one is the unreachable state in the diagram? Anyone can answer. I just gave you the definition. Unreachable means if you cannot reach from the initial state. Now you just see which one is the initial state and see rest of the states and tell me which one is the unreachable state. Q2. Yes, correct. Why Q2? From Q0 you can go to Q1, but you cannot go to Q2. Why? Because from Q2 it is going to Q1 only. So Q2 is the unreachable state. Okay. So to minimize the DFA, you have to remove all the unreachable states. Okay. Next step, you can just draw transition table for all pair of states. Means suppose I'll give you the diagram. So from the diagram, first you have to remove the states, unreachable state, then you draw the transition tables. Okay, then what you will do, you will just identify the states. Those are final states and those are non-final states. So you will simply split transition table into two tables. Okay, I am giving you the easiest way. Okay, simply split transition table into two. One with final states and other one is non-final states. Okay, so after that, so what's the first step? Remove all unreachable states, then draw the transition table. Then you see with all the states, those are final and non-final. Then you simply split the table into two. So after that, what you will do, find all similar rows. Okay, that means if any state is going to means same state, any state going to the same states means the same transition is there, then what you will do, you will simply remove it. Find all similar row and remove one of them. Okay, so this process you will do for both table because you split it the table into two. So in both table you will see for any similar row. Okay, any similar rows. If you find any similar row, you will just remove one. Okay, for both the tables. So we will simply repeat this step until all similar rows are gone. That means there can be only one row, non-similar row. Okay, so you will just repeat this. Fine. No similar rows. And it is for both tables. Okay, it is for both the tables. Then finally, you will combine those tables. Okay. So let's just see an example. It will be easier. Suppose Q naught, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So first Q naught, from here you can go to below. From here you can go to again. Okay, so this is your DFA and you need to minimize this DFA. So what's the step one? Step one is remove all unreachable state. Right? So what are the unreachable states here? What are the unreachable states for this diagram? So what is unreachable state? You cannot reach from Q1, which is the initial state. Can you reach to Q1? Yes. Can you reach to Q2 from Q0? No. So Q2 is your unreachable state. Can you reach to Q3? Yes, there is a way to reach Q3. Can you reach Q4? No. So Q4 is another unreachable state. Can you reach to Q5? Yes, you can reach to Q5. So our unreachable states are Q2 and Q4. Okay, that means we simply need to cut our remove our unreachable states. So after that, what you can do? You can simply draw the transition table for the rest. Okay. So if you draw the table, so what are the states now? We have Q naught. Okay. Then we have Q1. Then we have Q3. Then we have Q5. Okay, these are the rest of the states because Q2 and Q4 are unreachable. So we simply remove them and we will find a transition table for rest. So for Q naught, by taking 0, where is it going? For 0, it's going to Q1. Okay. For 1, it is going to Q3. For Q1, by taking 0, it is going to Q0. Then for 1, it is going to Q3. Okay. Now for Q3, for 0 and 1 both, it is going to Q5. Q5 and Q5. Then for Q5, where is it going? Okay, I missed one. One. Okay. So Q5 for both 0 and 1, it is going to Q5 again. Okay. Now you find the final and non-final states. Why? We need to split the table. You know Q3 and Q5 are final states. Okay. So simply mark them Q3, Q5. And Q0 is our initial state and Q1 is our just non-final state. So what we need to do? We need to split both tables. Okay, split both tables means what? Now we will have two tables after splitting. So one table will be with final states and other one will be with non-final. So let's start with the non-final 0 and 1. That means Q0 and Q1. So just copy, it will be just same. And Q3. Okay. The other one is what? Q3, Q5. Both are final states, right? So just copy the same Q5, 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 and Q5. Okay. Now you come to the table 1. Okay. This is table 1 and this is table 2. Okay. So in table 1, is there any common row? Is there any common transitions or common row? No, right? For Q0, it is going to Q1, Q3, and for Q1, it is going to Q0 and Q3. These are not similar or same. So there is no common rows or same rows in table 1. Do we have common row in table 2? Yes, for table 2, we have common rows. Both Q3 and Q5 is going to the same states by taking 0 and 1. Okay, similar rows or same row. So what you have to do, you simply need to remove one. For example, I just remove this one. Okay, simply remove this one because both are same. So we will just keep one and remove one. Okay, so just remove one. This one will be cut. So this one will be the remaining. So after that, what you can do? Simply combine both table 1 and table 2. So if you combine both table 1 and table 2, what will be the final one? This is the final DFA transition table. So first Q0, Q1, Q1, Q3, Q0, Q3. And here we have selected only one, which is Q3. This is the final state. Q5 and Q5. Okay, so this is our final DFA. Now if we draw it, how will you draw? First Q0, Q1, Q3. Okay, you see the transition Q naught by taking 0, it is going to Q1, then by 1 it is going to Q3. For Q1 by taking 0, it is going to Q naught again. For 1 it is coming to 1. Okay, both done. And after that for Q3 it is going to Q3. So what we can do, since it's both Q5, we can simply replace it Q5 by Q3 because we have removed this Q5 part. Okay, we have removed this Q5 part. So when we draw it, we can simply make it Q3 because there is no Q5 now. We removed it. Okay. So since both Q3, Q5 transit to the same state by using 0 and 1, so we can skip Q5 and we can simply replace Q5 by Q3 for the rest. So in the transition also, instead of Q5, we will simply replace Q5 with Q3. Here we will write Q3. That means for both 0 and 1, it will come to Q3. Okay. Is it clear? This is the final minimized DFA from this one. Okay. That means ultimately the remaining part is just this. This is the final DFA part. We simply remove unreachable states. Then we can split the table, remove similar one, and whatever state you are removing, you are replaced with the next state. Okay. So if you do it from the diagram, you can simply do it like this. If it is unreachable, simply cut them. Then you find the similar rows. If it is going to the same states for both alphabets, you can just replace one of them. Okay, and if you use the transition table, after making the transition table, just split into non-final states and final states, then remove the common one, then you combine them and make your final DFA. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Clear. Okay, good. It's not that tough. You just need to follow the instructions or the steps. Okay. So if this is clear, you can try yourself this one. Okay. This is, you can take it homework. Q naught. Q2. Okay, this is your okay. Write it down. Okay. So which one will be unreachable state in this one? Because you simply need to remove that one first, right? Done? Have you noted down the problem? Okay. So anyways, which one will be unreachable state here? Which one will be unreachable state here in this one? Unreachable state, not final state. Only Q5 will be unreachable, not Q3 and Q5. You can reach to Q3 from Q0, right? This line, you are reaching to Q3. Then you said Q5. From here, here, you are going to Q5. Then again, this way also you can come to the Q5. So Q3 is Q5 is reachable. Only Q6 is unreachable. You can cut this part. So after that, you just need to split. The final states are Q3, final state Q3, Q5, Q4, Q5, and non-final states are Q0, Q1, and Q2. Okay. Okay, just try at home. Let me know in next class tomorrow. Okay, so I'm ending, stop sharing, take attendance only students. Okay, thank you all. I'm ending the meeting now.